Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking all about hurricanes. And before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more weather content. Hurricanes are known by different names in different countries, such as cyclones and hurricanes, as most people would know them as. Non-hurricane classification storms, which have not become hurricanes yet, are tropical depressions and tropical storms. A tropical depression goes from 0 to 38 miles per hour, and a tropical storm ranges from 38 to 73 miles per hour. A Category 1 hurricane, which is the lowest rated hurricane, goes from 74 miles per hour to 95 miles per hour.
How does that get into that bad?
And that was about a Category 1 hurricane. Now a Category 2 hurricane.
A little bit less than the other one, but meh.
Yeah, a Category 2 hurricane ranges from about 95 miles per hour to 110 miles per hour. And a Category 3 hurricane is basically just the same as a Category 2 hurricane, just higher winds, and it could probably do some more damage, so you get the point compared to the last one. But a Category 4 hurricane is really strong. Now that Category 4 is pretty strong, but the Category 5... Yeah, that was strong. Yeah, the Category 5 is the highest ranked hurricane on the scale. Winds can get up to 156 miles per hour plus. So, Category 5 hurricane is the biggest, and you never really know how much stronger it's going to get after it reaches Cat 5. And on the left-hand corner, the whole scale of hurricanes, so you can see the wind speeds, is going to pop up right now. 2 hurricanes that were Category 5 that you may have heard of were Hurricane Beryl and Hurricane Katrina. Anyway, thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.